Right, I'm in the bell tower, or at least the bottom half of the bell tower. I'm going to try and attempt to climb up and actually see the bells. It's a long way up, a little bit scary, but I'm going to try and go up there to get some videos and some pictures for everyone, which is quite a long way up there. Yeah. So let's see how far I can go. I'm going to clip you on. Poor pigeon. The trick is to not look down. Whew. And this is the first level. I don't know what much of this equipment is, apart from I know that's the pendulum, obviously. A little bit scared of heights, I think. Right, that's as high as I'm gonna go, because it's scary. Halfway. I didn't go all the way up because I was too scared. Right, sorry about that, folks. Haven't quite got head for heights like that. I mean, it was interesting, but I don't think I'm quite brave enough to go up there. My hands are black. Well, I did see in the second level the mechanism for the clock. I would have filmed it, but I didn't want to take both hands off the ladder, I'm afraid. Sorry about that. I'm sure I know somebody who's got pictures of the bells and everything else, so I'll try and put those up. Anyway, this is St Mary's Church in Chatham during the restoration work in June 2012.